How can you find the Reels on your iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more and similar tutorials like this one. Okay, so if you want to watch Reels, you'll need to access it through a social media app. There are more options to pick from. Naturally, a lot of people go with TikTok, and there you already can start browsing the Reels or, shorts, TikToks, whatever. But you have to get the app from the App Store. So if you haven't already, just go to the App Store, look up TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, which are the most common ways the people can consume Reels. Just make sure you get the individual app, make sure you get inside, sign in, or create a brand new account, and you should be able to start browsing it, right? Most likely people are interested in Instagram Reels, so you can get inside, and in here, you can start browsing the individual things, right? So for example, you can go to the search. If you don't see the dedicated Reels tab, click on one reel and you can just start browsing and you'll see some more stuff available to you, right? So that is how you can get to the Reels on the iPad if you mean it like within the Instagram app. As I said, you might be interested in Facebook Reels, which are, kind of a similar thing, just on a different platform. There as well, you can get inside and click on the video section and start browsing it, right? Like you get inside and start browsing the Reels, right? So you can see, you can as well go to the Facebook menu and see the Reels right there. So there are plenty of ways how you can get to it, and that is how you can basically just find it. Let me know if there is something specific which I didn't mention and you still cannot really find the Reels on your device. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.